What if I told you the way you refuel your car every week could quietly cost you hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars over time? Most drivers think pumping gas is the simplest thing they do, just pull up, fill, and go. But in reality, a few small habits repeated every week can either protect your engine for years or slowly destroy critical components without any warning. And the worst part? Almost nobody realizes the damage until it's already expensive. Today, we're breaking down the 13 most common refueling mistakes, what they're really doing inside your car, and how to fix them instantly. Stay with me because mistake number 7 is something almost every driver does without thinking. Mistake number 13, the empty tank gamble. There are two kinds of drivers. One fills up early and plays it safe. The other pushes the limit, watching that fuel light turn on and still keeps going. It feels harmless, even efficient. But inside your tank, a different story is unfolding. Your fuel pump depends on gasoline to stay cool and lubricated. When the level drops too low, it starts pulling heat and air instead of fuel, and that heat slowly wears down the internal components. No warning, no obvious signs, just a sudden failure one day when the car won't start. And now you're dealing with a repair that could have been avoided completely. The smarter habit is simple. Treat a quarter tank like empty. That one change alone can dramatically extend the life of your fuel system. Mistake number 12, the 2026 sliding trend. Now let's talk about something most drivers never expect at a gas station. You're standing there, focused on the pump, maybe checking your phone. Everything feels normal. But on the other side of your car, someone quietly opens your passenger door and grabs whatever they can in seconds. That's called sliding, and it's increasing because it works. It works because drivers assume nothing will happen while they're right there. That assumption is the mistake. The fix is immediate and effortless. The moment you step out, lock your doors. Not after you start fueling, not when you remember, immediately, because awareness beats reaction every time. Mistake number 11, topping off after the click. This one feels smart. The pump clicks, but you squeeze in a little more to round it off. More fuel, more range. At least that's what it seems. In reality, you're pushing liquid fuel into a system designed to handle vapor, not gasoline. Your evap system uses a charcoal canister to capture fuel vapors, and when that gets flooded, it stops working properly. That's when warning lights appear and repair costs start stacking up. What feels like saving a few extra kilometers can turn into a costly fix. The rule here is simple and absolute. When it clicks, you stop. Mistake number 10, the premium gas tax. This is where drivers lose money without realizing it. Premium fuel sounds better, cleaner, more powerful, so people assume it must be good for every car. But octane isn't about quality, it's about resistance to knocking under high pressure. If your engine isn't designed for it, it doesn't benefit from it. No extra power, no better fuel economy, just a higher bill every time you fill up. The contrast is simple. Either you follow your owner's manual or you pay extra for nothing. Mistake number 9, ignoring static electricity while pumping gas. This is how 35% of pump fires start. You start the pump, hop back into your seat to stay warm, and then slide back out. That friction creates a massive static charge. When you reach for that nozzle, right where the concentrated fuel vapors are venting, bam, a spark. The fix? Always touch the metal body of your car away from the fuel door before you touch the nozzle. Discharge the static, save your car. Mistake number 8, the digital skimmer trap. In 2026, thieves don't need a crowbar, they need Bluetooth. While 22% of stations still use old-school physical card inserts, hackers are installing invisible shimmers inside the readers. The expert advice? Use tap-to-pay or mobile wallets like Apple or Google Pay. They use tokenization, meaning the pump never actually sees your real credit card number. If you must use a card, take the pump closest to the attendant. They're the hardest for thieves to tamper with. Mistake number 8, not turning the engine off while refueling. I see this every single day and it drives me crazy. Leaving the engine running keeps your alternator, coils, and exhaust system hot and active. More importantly, modern car computers, ECUs, are constantly monitoring fuel tank pressure. Opening the cap while the engine is running can trick the car into thinking there's a massive vacuum leak, triggering a check engine light. A simple diagnostic scan for that light will cost you $100 to $200 at a shop. Just turn it off. Mistake number 5, forgetting to tighten the gas cap properly. It sounds minor, but a loose gas cap is the #1 cause of evaporative emission large leak codes. If you don't hear that definitive click, 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 your car's computer will think your fuel system has a hole in it. Save yourself the $150 diagnostic fee and the heart attack of seeing a yellow light on your dash. Tighten it until it clicks every single time. Mistake number 4, the Coors pull stretch. Don't be the person stretching the long reach hose across the roof of your car. That hose is heavy, dirty, and covered in abrasive grit. When it rubs against your clear coat, it creates deep scuff marks and swirl patterns. A professional paint correction to fix that stretch will cost you $300 to $600. Take the 60 seconds to turn the car around. Your paint and your resale value will thank you. Mistake number 3. Refueling right after a fuel tanker delivers gas. If you see a massive tanker truck pulling away from the station, keep driving. Those tankers dump thousands of gallons into the underground pits, stirring up years of accumulated rust, sediment, and water from the bottom. If you fueled up immediately, your fuel filter and injectors become the sieve for all that chunk. Waiting just 30 minutes allows that debris to settle back to the bottom. Mistake number 2. Using your phone while refueling. It's not about the phone causing a spark, that's a myth. It's about distraction. Distracted drivers are responsible for over 5,000 drive-offs every day, where people literally drive away with the nozzle still in the car. It's also how you miss a shutoff failure and end up with a gallon of raw gas on your shoes. Put the phone down for 3 minutes and pay attention to the high-pressure, flammable liquid you're handling. Mistake number 1. Ignoring signs of water or contaminated fuel. If your car starts bucking, hesitating, or idling roughly within 5 miles of a fill-up, do not ignore it. You likely got a bad batch of fuel contaminated with water. If you keep driving, you can hydrolock the engine or destroy your high-pressure fuel rail. Pro tip: always take the receipt. It is your only legal proof if you need to hold the station liable for a $4,000 engine repair. Refueling is the most common maintenance task you do, but as we've seen, doing it wrong is a fast track to the mechanic's shop. Which of these were you guilty of? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious how many of you have been topping off for years. If this saved you a repair bill, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive into keeping your ride on the road for 300,000 miles.